Hi, everyone. In this example, I want to show you how to unpivot data using Power Query as well as an Excel formula. As you can see, we have this data set with us, which has all these rows and these 3 columns. And I just want to change it to something different. I will just make it order priority L, M, H, A, B, N, X, and M. All right. The objective is to unpivot it. And as you can see, I have this formula here, and it is able to unpivot it. Will it work if I add more rows and columns here? Let's try that. So if I remove a few rows and I remove the last column, and let me resize my selection, you notice it works, right? Perfect. Now, the formula is beyond the scope of this video for me to explain, but it works. The only thing you need to change here is this, the source. Let me also make a lambda from this. So I'll just copy, and then we go to formulas and name manager, new, let's call this unpivot. And all I will do here is to paste the formula that we have with a very small change, which is that we will say lambda and in lambda, of course, we are taking an input. So our input would be input. And then rather than writing D4, G12, we will write input. Okay. And it says there's a parenthesis missing. Let me add that at the end. And it's called unpivot. Let's see if it works. So I just want to write unpivot. We will select our data. And as you can see, it unpivots it for us. I would also like to do this with Power Query. So we select our data, we go to data and then from table oblique range. So this either needs to have a range name or you will have to convert this into a table. So I click on from table oblique range. Yes, we do have headers in our data. So this is 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. Press OK. This will take us to Power Query. And it looks like this. It's very simple. All you have to do is to right click on the first column and then say unpivot other columns. And you get the result like this.